Hello everyone, I am Nilesh Avare and today I am going to talking about the origin of pharmacovigilance in different countries. So let's start with our topic. So the pharmacovigilance should be came into existence because of two tragedy that one is a sulfonamide tragedy which happened in USA and second is a thalidomide tragedy which happened in Germany. Because of that, in these two countries, that pharmacovigilance should be came into existence. So let's start with sulfonamide. So the sulfonamide tragedy, which is happened in USA, and because of that sulfonamide tragedy, 107 people are died in a USA because of that sulfonamide tragedy. So let's start. Let talk about what happened in this tragedy. Because of that, the 107 people are died. Let's talk about this. So the sulfonamide, it is an elixir which is used by USA people, and for the prophylaxis of staphylococcal infection in USA. But they don't know the excipient which are used in this elixir. In this elixir, one excipient that name as diethylene glycol. It is actually poison for the human, and this excipient are add in this elixir, and because of this constituent or excipient, 107 people are died in USA. And after that this tragedy, the pharmacovigilance came into existence in USA. And then next is a thalidomide. The thalidomide tragedy are happen in Germany, and because of this thalidomide tragedy, thousand children are died, and more than 10,000 children are born with inability. That means they do not having upper and lower limbs. Means it is concept related to the terrogenicity. It is happened because of the thalidomide drug. Let's talk about the thalidomide tragedy. In early 1950 to 1960, the thalidomide drug was prescribed against the treatment of nausea and headache in pregnant women. But they do not know about the adverse effect of that drug. Because of that drug, the thousand children are died, and more than 10,000 the 10,000 children are born with abnormality. Means they do not having the upper and lower limbs. And after that the thalidomide tragedy, the pharmacovigilance program are came into existence in Germany. And then let's talk about the India. Let's talk about the India. In India, the pharmacovigilance program start in 10 July 2010, and it start with PVPI, that means pharmacovigilance program for the India, to monitor the adverse drug reaction in India. And it is initiated with NCC, that means National Coordinating Center, which is situated in Ghaziabad. In this way, the pharmacovigilance came into existence in different countries. So our next topic is the definition of pharmacovigilance. So let's start with the definition of pharmacovigilance. The pharmacovigilance is consists of two words. That one is a Latin word and second is a Greek word. The pharmakon is a Greek word. It means drug. And vigilar or vigilante, it is a Latin word. It means to keep watch. The meaning of pharmacovigilance is to keep watch on the drug. It means pharmacovigilance. So the definition of pharmacovigilance is, it is a science and activity to regulate the detection. Sorry, it is a science and activity related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse drug reaction or any drug related problem. It means pharmacovigilance. So let's talk about the each word in the definition of pharmacovigilance. The first is a detection. The detection means to identify. Means if the adverse drug reaction is occur during the clinical trial, the investigator should be detect this ADR during the clinical trials. And if the adverse drug reaction are occur in the post-marketing surveillance, then the HCP, that means healthcare professional, can be identify or detect this ADR. It means detection. And the second is assessment. Assessment means the ADR is happen, and then check the what is the reason behind the ADR is happen. It means to check the adverse drug reaction is happen because of drug or any other reason behind the adverse drug reaction. They will check about this all. It's all about the assessment. And then third is a understanding. It means after the checking of adverse drug reactions happen because of drug, then to find or understanding because of what, means which parameter in the drug or which constituent or excipient in the drug to show the adverse drug reaction. They will understand the parameter or excipient because of the adverse drug reaction is happen. It's all of in this information is carried on as understanding. And last one is the prevention. Means if I know the adverse drug reaction happen because of what, then to take the precautionary measure that this such type of adverse drug reaction should not happen in the future, and proactively report this adverse drug reaction to the PV center. It's all about the definition of pharmacovigilance. That means detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of that adverse drug reaction. So today's topic I have cover about the origin of pharmacovigilance, the definition of pharmacovigilance, and the meaning of each word which are included in the pharmacovigilance. So thank you for watching this video.